Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ryan, aka High Def Ryan, aka STEM Dad, coming at you live from Gilbert, Arizona. A lot of folks have been asking me about the progress of the first of its kind Makerspace, Fablab, STEM classroom here in downtown Gilbert, Arizona. Maybe you've heard the news. There was a fire that took place in late July. We had gotten the news from some friends that had texted us asking if everything was okay. And there was a fire that occurred in the attic space a few suites down from where Raceway was located in the complex. And it occurred late at night, early in the morning after a pretty significant thunderstorm. So after some investigation, I think the latest details are suspected to be electrical fire in the attic from some electrical components or lights or something. Even though the fire itself didn't make it all the way into our suite, you'll be able to see here with all the smoke and water damage, nearly everything was destroyed. We've been working with the landladies, the insurance companies, the restoration company, and the city of Gilbert to bring the building back with minor architectural updates and improvements that we're pretty excited about. So in the meantime, this gives us a chance to rewind a little bit. Now we're just fixing that. Rewind a little bit. And go back and talk a little bit about the Makerspace classroom. So if you take a peek here, you can see the checkerboard flooring that goes in the Makerspace. This is going to have some desks and workbenches with soldering stations available. And this will be to help with some of the STEM classroom activities we're going to be doing and projects. This includes home automation and other Internet of Things types of projects. The intention for the space will be to provide a safe, versatile environment for hands-on STEM activities and a wide range of experience levels from beginner to expert level instruction. It will include workbenches, soldering stations, and configurable desks and tables for hosting private events, birthday parties, and other unique experiences. This makerspace will also include a variety of hand tools and the latest in 3D design and printing technology, as well as hobby DIY type equipment. Anyway, wanted to kind of check in with you guys, give you an update as we enter into the end of this year, approaching the beginning of next year. We're really excited about what we're going to be bringing you. Recording this in November, looking at approximately at April, hopefully opening date for the physical location at AV Raceway. So stay tuned, and we'll check in with you later. Thanks. If you haven't already, be sure to check us out on the other socials. We have some great stuff on deck that you're not going to want to miss.